hand sanitizer.
Mouse the tool that you think will help Goofy glide.
Not for resale, but...
Oh, look at it!
No, I don't think so.
Oh my gosh!
And...
Oh my goodness!
I'm going to have to read it all. Oh, very nice. This is the training one. Yes. Training. Yay!
Awesome!
And this is... this should be stories. And this is a different color. Yes, stories.
Ooh.
Come on, Pluto. We'd better catch
That's
up.
all my stuff on the back. The very important barcode. I'm going to have to go through page by page, but yes. Nice. My dedication, my copyright. Should be the title, yes. Oh, look how cute they look. They're all glued. Looks, yeah.
Wow.
Oh, I like that that's on the same page like that.
Right, that's kind of perfect. Oh, wow.
Oh, that came out so good. Oh, yay. Yes. Yes. Pages are kind of scary out there. Oh, yes. Oh, that actually came out good. It's kind of light. I was worried about that, but it came out really nice.
Yeah.
Perfect. Oh, yay, yay, yay. That's it. That's it. Everybody's name in there. How about the author at the end?
Yay.
Alrighty.
You have books!
$2. Yay, yay.
Yay!
Oh my gosh. Look how cute they are. Alright, perfect.
There's a branch. Do you crawl over, under, or through it?
So I have one more coming. That's going to come next week. And I'm going to call Anita. I'm going to go through these actually page by page to make sure. But
Right.
I'm pretty sure these are going to be put up for print.
Yay!
Thank
you.
Or through it.